Hey guys, it's Adri. Welcome back to my channel. So today our hair tutorial is going to be a low Dutch braided ponytail. It is so freaking cute, and so I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So you will need to know how to Dutch braid for this tutorial. I am just rolling up my sleeves because it is spring and I'm wearing a sweater. But it says smile, so it's okay. Anyway, this tutorial is super cute. Give it a thumbs up if you like it at the end of the video, and be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss any of my future hair tutorials. And let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so as always, I use clear elastic bands and some really great bobby pins. So first you're going to pull some hair back at the crown of your head and split it into 3 equal sections for the start of a Dutch braid. Then you're going to cross the left section under the middle section, and then the right section under the new middle section. Then you're going to start the Dutch braid by crossing the left section under the middle section and adding in a piece of hair from the front of the head, and then cross the right section under the new middle section and add in a piece of hair from the right side. Once again, you're going to cross the left section of hair under the middle section and then add in some hair from the left side. And then you're going to cross the right section of hair under the middle section and add in some hair from the right side of your head. And you're going to just do this all the way down to the nape of your neck until all of the hair has been added into the braid. It takes a bit to get used to how to move your hands for the Dutch braid, and I have a ton of hair, and so as you can see, I'm having a harder time holding all of my hair, but it just takes some practice. And then once you've added in all of the hair, go ahead and just do a simple 3-strand braid. Then take a clear elastic and tie off the ponytail at the nape of your neck. You can go as high or as low as you want to, and then pull it tight. My arms hurt so bad. If your arms hurt, I know your pain. So now we're going to pancake the braid. Just gently pull at the sides of the stitches while holding the base of the braid. I also pulled at the hair at the crown of my head to just make it a little more voluminous. And then that pulled the braid stitches a little tighter, so then I went back through and pulled them a little bit more loose again. And then I had a little piece of hair from the side hanging down too low, so I just bobby pinned it in under the braid.
Okay, so at this point you have 2 options. You can wrap your hair around the elastic band to hide it, or you can get a cute little scrunchie and put it in. So I'm going to put the scrunchie in, but maybe I'll do both. I'll show you how to do both.
Okay, so for the elastic band hiding option, you're just going to take a piece of hair behind the elastic band and wrap it around the elastic band a couple of times. And then hold it in your hand. And then with your free hand, get an elastic hair tie and wrap it around the base of the loop. So basically you're just tying off the wraparound hair with the ponytail, and then cover up the elastic band. Or you can put a scrunchie in your hair, which is super, super cute, just by tying it in. And there's the finished look. I hope you guys like it.
Anyway, I hope you guys liked this hair tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!